in their citizenship. Thank you for commanding President Kyagulanyi that people from today must look at article number 3 and do everything in their power. Wherever you are, you do everything in your power. Let us not hear again, mutugamba ki, tubagambye. We have told you today what you need to do. You are not going to do it alone. We are going to do it together. We are going to do it together. On Thursday, we shall be out there. We shall be out there. You will not be alone. And how much power do they have to stop us? On Thursday, they may go and surround Honorable Kyagulanyi's home. How many homes can they surround? So if they surround Honorable Kyagulanyi's home, don't even go there. You go to do what you need to do, and they will be forced to come. The way to free anybody they encircle is to do what you need to do. They will have to run away from where they are encircling. How many homes can they encircle? Everybody, you can be a Bobby Wine wherever you are. You don't need to, because we should not wait for some people to do anything. We are the people we have been waiting for. Tewali balala, fate abayina okukola ki? Okukyekolera. No foreigner is going to liberate us. It is us to liberate ourselves. So, ladies and gentlemen, the purpose that has been served today is, I believe, twofold. One, to declare the unity of the suffering people of Uganda. That's the first. Secondly, to say that these suffering people of Uganda are now coming for their power. We are coming for our power. Whether you like it or not, we are coming. Let us see that starting slowly. On Thursday, do what you can. Let's see what people can start doing. But beyond that, we are going to Iganga on Monday, and on Tuesday we shall be in Lira. Let our brothers in Lango prepare. Let our brothers in Busoga prepare. As our brothers elsewhere are warming up. Yes, wherever you are, we want you to be warming up, because we are coming. Yes, we are coming. I have said it took our ancestors, grandparents and grandparents, 62 years to get rid of the Bazungu. Buganda Agreement was signed in 1900. But it took 62 years to undo the Buganda Agreement and Uganda to become independent of the British. 62 years. This is the 62nd year under the Bazungu Badugavu. For 62 years, we have now been under the black Bazungu, the black British. We shall be found wanting if our grandparents did it in 62 years and we failed to do it in 62 years ourselves. With our Ruzungu, we can now speak English, French, Chinese, what? We have mobile phones, we can connect. Anytime you send a message, everybody knows. They didn't have. So how can we fail in 62 years to liberate our country? This is the 62nd year. For me, I'm giving you a target. Say, October, when the 62nd year ends, twagala Uganda and it's free. Have a target. Yes. It will be 62 years in October. Irana independence and na yetu iteko. And we will be, oh, banange, asajja batubonyabonyeza. You see, we can no longer blame Museveni after 40 years. We must start blaming ourselves. Because for him, he has everything he fought for, and he doesn't want anything to change. He's even preparing to hand over to his son. We are waiting that he also hands over to his son, and we are saying, what is this? No. 62 years later, warm up and go. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank all of you, leaders, activists, for the determination that has been shown so far. This is the beginning. Let us charge into the future to reclaim our country. Our country shall be free, inshallah. By the grace of God, our country shall be free. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Oluganda mbadde ndutabula simanyi oba kyetaagisa. Oluganda mbadde ndutabulamu.
Questions? Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Uncle Ak is advising that we can get at least 3 questions.